Olo ngoa o Feagaimaalii I mila Poloai. Oa ua le tuanane raʻititi o Tinā le ia Lealofisā Setefano. Ente na ana o whaopopo atu I le Molimau a le tamā uso matua ia 7. Pe ia mātou whiola whaatasi mai I Ponson P. O ua le next to Lealofisā. And I got sure memories of Lealofisā and Setefano when they came to Australia for holiday. I wouldn't go too much because it's well known, it's all printed in this at the back page o le mako ainga. Just my feeling for this beautiful person, Lealofisā. She's a very humble person, very loving person to all our family, to her church, to the community, and everything in between. As I said, Lealofisā is, I don't know how to express, but when they came over to Brisbane, we go out for, she loves to go and play what they call the pokie machine. and we used to take them out, have dinner, give them $100 each and say, well, when you finish, we go home. I'm going to miss you, Lealofisā. And the Lealofisā children, you are very blessed to have such a mother, and I hope you continue the work that she had started. Yeah, I think that's enough for me because we got a lot of people come up here and say something. Yeah, Manuela mawhaftai, Manuela manana Lealofisā, tātou toi whailoai, I se taimi, whaftai.